Hello, it's 9 p.m. here in Korea. Thank you for joining us on Arirang News. Over in Turkey and Syria, the death toll continues to rise as rescuers search for survivors. The global community is sending aid to help the victims, but officials say more access points are needed in war-torn Syria. Rae-hyun leads our coverage tonight.
A 10-year-old girl is finally pulled out from the rubble in Turkey's southern Hatay province after being trapped for 147 hours.
Bak. Bak güzel kızım seni almaya geldik. Şu ayaklarını bir göreyim. Bakayım. Tamam bir şey yok. Yanındayım bak yanındayım.
Rescuers continue to work around the clock after two earthquakes rocked Turkey and Syria last week. The number of deaths has now reached at least 36,000. The Turkish Emergency Coordination Center said the death toll in Turkey is at over 31,000, while the Syrian government has confirmed around 4,500 deaths. But the United Nations has warned that the final number may double that.
Good or bad, everything we had was here. Even my children are crying now. They are saying, "Mom, everything is gone. Our childhood is gone. Our memories are all gone."
It's freezing and we freeze to death here. If we sit inside the tent, we'll freeze.
The international community is reaching out to help. The chief of the EU Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, has promised to bolster aid for Turkey by responding to its latest request for more shelter capacity. And a convoy of 10 United Nations aid trucks entered northwest Syria to deliver urgent supplies to quake-hit areas. U.S. Ambassador to the UN Linda Thomas-Greenfield on Sunday urged the UN Security Council to approve 2 additional access points to deliver aid to parts of Syria quicker, as it has been complicated to reach the region due to the long-running civil war. Meanwhile, the aftermath of the earthquakes is expected to worsen the cholera outbreak in Syria. The Syrian government first declared the outbreak last September, which was reportedly due to the country's war-ravaged water infrastructure. This means there was a perfect storm brewing before the earthquakes of increasing food insecurity, collapsing healthcare systems, the lack of access to safe water, and poor sanitation. The UN has estimated that 5.3 million people have been left homeless by the disaster in war-torn Syria. Rae-hyun, Arirang News.